That's the furnace side. That is the furnace side. Going to half moon. See that? You cannot see the building. That is full of dust. That is what happened if it is a sandstorm in the weather. So it's gonna get dark, the area. Just for sharing you how we experience you during the sandstorm, the weather, so that if you will come to Saudi Arabia or anywhere in the Middle East, or I think mostly in Saudi Arabia, you can find out the sandstorm. Hello around the world. It's a Thursday afternoon Sandstorms day. Alright, allow me to show you the status around here. We are here now in KSA Eastern Region, Alcobar. Alright, come and join us. It's quite heavy sandstorm today. We are going back to the job site, and we are doing something there. Alright, God bless everyone. Traveling now, going back to our to the site. So it is the weather today. It's so dusty and sandstorm. What I mean is sandstorm. Lots of it's a windy and sandstorm. My friend here. Aywa. So let's go. You can find out the sandstorm around. I'll show you. So now we are traveling, going back to the site, to Jawahar's company. So as you can see, the weather today, it's not too good. It's a little bit bad because it's a sandstorm. You can see around, see, full of dust. This, if you go out to your vehicle, then you feel the dust in your body. See, it's quite dark. Yeah, you can see that side also. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. You can see the leaves of these dates. So windy. So that is near to the OC. This is the shore. Now we are turning, approaching to the bridge, crossing bridge. Then after that is the Jawahar company. We are now here in Tokba. So Mr. Atala, what can you say about the weather today? Huh? Anta kalam today weather. Ada mia
Oh, mia.
mia weather. Alatol dash.
Ayo.
Aywa. So it's full of dust. So we'll see on the side. Maybe the exhaust fan now it's off. It's a windy. As you can see the trees, so it's windy. That's why the sandstorm is around. During the sunny time, it's the weather. The summertime, the sandstorm is it's always there. But this is too early today. This year, mostly it is the month of July somewhere, but now it's June, and sandstorm is early comes. Yeah. We're taking our lunch. You can see it is a sandstorm, so we are taking our lunch, and the time check now, it's 2:30. So this is our lunch today, 2:30. Yeah, we came from the site, then to taking lunch. All right, come and join us. Lunch break, 2:30. show you the. I will show you the. Here, in this restaurant, there is no table. So we will do. What we will do is to sit on the floor. Yeah, that's what we will do today. So how we eat sit on the floor. The floor has already floor mat. Means it's a carpet. So that is the traditional here. In Arabic, in the Middle East, most of the restaurant this is Middle Asia as set on the floor. المواقف كده بالعرض دي مشكلة مع المرور. مواقف كده ما في مشكلة. Upstairs with our take our lunch. It's 2:30 lunch. Yeah. Taking now our lunch. Yeah. So there's no people here. Only on the mat. Yeah. So we're taking our lunch. Time check is 2:30. 2:30 in the afternoon. It's the lunch timing niya. Came from the site. Right, here we go. Dumating na yung order namin. Ayan, kakain na kami. I-open up na ng kasama ko. Aywa, 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 aywa. Sana na ng pintados. See that? Beautiful rice. Oh, yeah. So it's like Valenciana again. Yeah. Let's see. We'll check. We'll eat. Taob na guys, taob. Ubos na. Isang ang sarap. Ubos na. Yun guys, tapos na kayo kain. Back to work na. Yan. Ang kasama ko. Ayos na. Thank you so much sa food. Excited na tayo. Fall of Sandstorm. Now we are on the side.
Tanananan, after 1 million hours of work.
Sabi, uwi na tayo. 5 o'clock na rito. Uwian na sila rito, kaya uwi na rin tayo. Yan. Sarado pa. That's my baba. Aywa, shout out baba. From Hindi. Aywa. Uwi na tayo kasi hanggang 5 o'clock lang sila. So biyahe na tayo. Ayan, natapos natin ang isang araw ngayon. Bagas pagod. Grabing sandstorm yan. Kung makikita nyo, grabing sandstorm yan. Kita ng langit. It's a lot of dust. Yeah, it's a sandstorm today. It's the weather is it's bad. Alright, biyahe na tayo. Partner ko wala pa. We're gonna go home and again by Sunday we will come back here for the next task.
Still not completed, but by 2 days it will I think it will completed the assembly. It will be completed the assembly, and the things is going to paint after. All right. Shout out from saan ka sa Manila, sir?
Sa Novaliches.
Yeah, shout out from Novaliches.
Sabarte.
Sabarte. Yan.
Shilmas.
Sabarte. Alright, yes.
Oh.
Yan, mga gwapo. Talaga naman. Yan.
Sure.
So, shout out dyan.
Ada Mia Philippines.
Yeah. Sim Japan. Sim Japan. Alright. Happy weekend. Go home na. Rock and roll. Ito yung service namin. Yeah. Grabing dust.
The quality of finished product for the manifold. Yeah, you can see it's very good. The finish is very tough. It's a professional job. Yeah. So thanks to Jawahir for the one set of this done, and everything is Iowa. You can see that. Yeah, they are very good done, made by this. You can see that. Oh, all right. Yeah. So this is the coupling. Yeah. And threaded. All right. Yep. Yeah. And the other side, yes. So now it's perfect. So thanks to the guys who made this, the machine shop guys, Chacha and Baba, and also the boss of Jawahir for assisting us to complete these sets of manifold. See you then with the next project again to be finished. Now it's time to go home. Assalamualaikum.
Safety belt.
That's the Sandstorm. That's the Sandstorm. It's the dark of Sandstorm. See that? That's the Sandstorm. The Sandstorm was started since morning, and until now evening. Now we are approaching to the proper of Alcobar and the Tukba area. As you can see the road. As you can see the road. See that? It looks like a smoke. This looks like a smoke, but it is smoke of fog. Yeah. That's the furnace side. That is the furnace side. Going to Half Moon. See that? You cannot see the building. That is full of dust. That is what happened if it is a sandstorm in the winter. So it's gonna get dark, the area. Just for sharing you how we experience here during the sunshine, the weather. so that if you will come to Saudi Arabia or anywhere in the Middle East, or I think mostly in Saudi Arabia, you can find out the sandstorm. Pare, in Egypt, Simsimpi?
Huh?
In Egypt, Simsimpi? Egypt, Simsim. Hawa. Oh yeah. According to Mr. Atala, in Egypt, Simsim also P. Aywa. So Simsim of this. As you can see that there's a lots of there's a buildings in that place, but as you can see, it is like a shadow. That's why it's too dangerous to run very fast. So we can run only up to 50 km/h. Alright, we are approaching to Lulu supermarket. Now we are in Lulu supermarket side. You can see that is the Lulu hypermarket. You can buy anything you want, which is a too affordable and flexible price. Now we are approaching to the flyover, the center of Alcobar proper. The city now is too quiet. There's no yet lots of people going around because of the weather. This time, if there's a good weather, there's lots of people around here walking and getting their shopping. For now, it seems that it is a sandstorm. As a sandstorm means people are getting inside of their house because of the bad weather. Now we are approaching to flyover, means flyover of the cities. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, that's the proper area. That's the proper area going to the proper cornice, and that is going to the airport side. So we are bound to the Dammam. This road is bound to the Dammam, Alcobar Dammam. As you can see, that building, it's like a shadow. It is not so clear because of the dust. It's bagging of dust. It's a fogging of dust. Alright. Now we are approaching to 10th Street, where we're gonna left turn back to the head office. They are making a beautiful hybrid bridge here, main flyover. We reach to the head office, so we're gonna stay here for a while before we go home. Now I reached to head office. I'm gonna wait for the service to get home, and for a while I'll sit here to taking a little bit rest, because outside it's not a good weather today. It's a bad weather. You can see that? It's a sandstorm. Shout out to this guy. First one. Yeah. From Pakistan. Shout out to him. Taiwan. Mia Masbut.
Mia my best friend. His channel is current.
So that's the way.
All Pakistani people. This one Falpini Moja.
Yes.
His channel is subscribed.
Correct.
Okay. Love you.
Shukran. Rock and roll. Everybody, to our new friends, our Manilos. That's Rishwan from Pakistan, from Kerala, India, and from Egypt. Atala. In the past by the restaurant here downstairs. Taking a cup of coffee with my boss.
Friend, we're gonna get a cup of coffee before leaving back home. Yeah. It's quite time to reload the energy. Right. So we are here in Sarsad restaurant. Yeah, in Sarsad restaurant, we'll try to taste their French coffee. How's looks like? How's the test? Yeah. So this is the second time we go here. We get here for coffee. This is not sponsored. It is it is a cup of paid coffee. Alright. We'll see. Shout out to my friend. Working here in the kitchen. He's a chef. He's a chef here in the kitchen.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
What's up? Hello. My boss also. He's here. Good. Mr. Katani. Mr.
Chef Howard.
Howard. He's a chef here inside the Sarsad restaurant. Big boss. Shout out to everybody. Now the coffee is arrived, so we're gonna take the coffee, and we have the water here. Yeah. So this is refreshing the mind and restoring the energy. All right, so let's take the coffee. The coffee is still fantastic. See that? That's the coffee. It's very tasty. Perfect. Number one. Very good taste. French coffee. Number one. Sorry. Gonna go and done our coffee. So let's go. Bye-bye. At the Sandstorm. You can see that. Woo. It's a dark night. Grabe. Yan. Nakikita nyo. Super. Super. We're gonna go home. Time check is already gone. Timing already gone, and time to go. All right.
7 o'clock in the evening. Stay home. Tired.
6:30.
It's tired.
6:35.
It's tired. Gotta get home. It's quite dark now. You can see all the lighting post is already on. It's quite exhausted because of the weather today. It's a bad weather today. Hoping that tomorrow when we go to fishing home. As you can see, it's a dark cloud skies of storm, of Sandstorm. Feel the breeze of storm, church of sand. We're approaching to our building. Welcome to our villa. Thank you so much for following us to this small journey a day of life during Thursday. Getting home now. We're in the park. We're parking now. So thank you so much for following us, Mr. Yatala. I'm gonna see you then in the next quick vlog. Say hi to
Bye-bye.
say hi to goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Goodbye.
God bless.
Goodbye.
Assalamualaikum.
Goodbye.
Alright, dito na tayo. So it's quite exhausted because of the weather today. So time to rest. And thank you so much for following us to our journey, Adil Life on during Thursday weekend. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.